Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we'll have a Huawei Mate 20 Lite for screen replacement. We use a hot gun around 180 Celsius to wick the glue behind the back cover.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going.
As you can see, the back cover comes out very easily. That means someone already opened before and he didn't do a very good job to the glue. We're using IPA to make the glue weaker and it's more easier to move my tool.
Down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Now you need to be very careful because there is a ribbon cable behind the backer case and if you pull very strong it will destroy it. In every device, when you open the back cover, always disconnect first the battery. I love this design because it's not necessary to remove the battery if you want to change the screen. When you want to remove the battery, you need to be very careful because the batteries, it's very easy to destroy them if you ask too much pressure.
Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now.
Okay, we did the same thing on the front. We don't care if the screen breaks more, because we're going to replace it.
You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind.
So now we need to take off the glue and the remaining glasses. You need to clean very well because it's more easier to glue back the new screen. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And I have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever
We use the glue around the frame.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good.
The last thing you must do is to use the clamps. You need to be very careful to not do very much pressure, because maybe you broke the new screen. Thank you for watching.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with.